1. Check this out. 2, 3. If you want, now I am teaching this only one time today. So if you want, you can turn. 1, 2, 3, and you go in. In. Close arms, right leg, arm up, and then cross leg. 1, 2, 3, and you go in. Alright? Aloittakaa vaan osa vähän edempää. Ei tarvi kaikkea aloittaa samasta viivasta. So let's make this more practical. You don't have to start in the same line, everybody. Few of you can come a bit further. Good. Alright. Yes. Yes. It's symmetrical. Every time it changes. And now in. Joo, eikä tarvitse tehdä mitään joogaa. No jooga.